My name is Grant. This is my dog Susie. Recently I purchased a 1978 Irwin Mark III sailboat, and man is she a project. So today I put some epoxy resin filler in this spot here. I'm definitely not going to leave it like that. I'm going to grind it out some more. Probably going to grind this little piece here out. On the back side of this right here, on both sides, I put another strip here, and more around this tube that goes through out to the back side of the boat as my drain. Just keep on plugging away at it. So I got another strip put in today. There's one there. I think that's a 6-incher. Again, there's 6-inch up there. I'm sorry, 4-inch there, and then a 6-inch here. So I got that done, plus the stuff in the aft locker. Still working on it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and make a comment. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching.